Hi, this is Dr. Jerome Joseph. I want to share this speech that I gave in 2018. And now this was a speech to over 200 plus professional speakers. Now it's an intimidating audience, of course. And when I gave this speech, I shared a very powerful story. And I just wanted you to observe the ending. Oh my goodness, what an ending it was. And when I wrapped up the story, and I just wanted you to see for yourself the audience reaction. I had a standing ovation, and it was just wow, what a powerful moment. And I'm excited to share this moment with all of you. Have a look.
Jeez, this is